Hi everyone! Welcome to Minas Day Vlogs. Sa mga kapwa ko Filipino, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ken kadigitay padak nga Ilocano, naimbag nga aldaw yu amin apo. For today's video guys, I will start with the very first thing we did after breakfast. So we went marketing very early to avoid the crowd, and these are my goodies for Holy Week. Okay, so to start, I have here our lunches. For me, it's the shrimp tempura bento. Get rice inside plus 3 pieces of the shrimp tempura. And for hubby, he got grilled salmon bento. So it's complete with rice, the salmon, a fried sweet potato, and a little bit piece of egg roll. Then in here, first time I will be drinking this original soy milk since they don't have the one with vanilla. Then I have my all-purpose flour for baking. We have mayo, oil, corn kernel, evap milk, and rice seasoning. Hubby got his chocolates in there, his favorite. And for breakfast, we have the multi-grain bread and Hawaiian sweet rolls. I also have here a seaweed because tonight I will be making baked sushi. And then in here, sweet potato and plantain banana. I cannot find the Filipino cooking banana for my ginatan, so I will just be using plantain banana. For breakfast, we have here banana, cantaloupe, papaya, and apples. What else? I will be cooking pancit. So I have in here green beans, carrot. I already get cabbage in the cooler. And then I have here potato, egg. Oh, this one, edamame. It's a boiled soybean. So this is very healthy for side dishes or snack. And to complete my Holy Week, I have in here fish. So it will be fish on Good Friday and Black Saturday. I have here 2 packs of salmon. Another one, this is bigger, plus bangus belly. I might be making sinigang for this bangus. So it's been a tradition for us in Philippines to eat fish Good Friday and Black Saturday. So it's no meat. Okay guys, so these are my goodies for the Holy Week. See you again later. Cooking time everyone. So dinner for tonight, it's baked sushi. I have here few pieces of the imitation crab. So I will just shred this one using a fork. Ganito lang ang ginagawa ko. And then cut into smaller size. Ayan siya. And then, I have here my mixing bowl. So, ilalagay ko dyan. Ayan, matatapos na. There you go. This is it, the shredded imitation crab. Next, I will add 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now, mix all together. Napakasimple, halu-haluin lang po natin. Make sure to coat the imitation crab with the mayo and sesame oil. So, okay na to. And while doing this, oh, I can smell the sushi rice cooking. Okay, so rice is ready. Next, put the sushi vinegar. So, I'm using this one. Loosen ng konti yung rice. So, this is the rice vinegar or the sushi vinegar. This is 1 tablespoon. For 2 cups of sushi rice, I usually put 6 tablespoons of the sushi vinegar, but you can adjust according to your taste. Mix lang. Slowly mix but do not smash the rice. Ayan, so mix lang muna. Let me taste. And then next, I have here my baking or glass container. So, transfer the rice. Then, if flatten lang siya, make it even. Next, I will add this rice seasoning, also known as furikake. So, sprinkle on top of the rice. Ayan siya. You can put as much as you like. Siyempre, pag madami hindi tinipid, mas masarap. Covered na siya. And then next, add the imitation crab with mayo. I will spread later. Put first. Ayan, so tapos na. Very fast to make. So, next is bake this 350 degrees Fahrenheit at least 15 minutes or until the top is brownish. So, let's do this. Oops. Oh, wow. There. So, this is the baked sushi. I have here poke. Ayan siya. And then I have some dipping in here. A combination of shoyu and wasabi. Of course, do not forget the seaweed wrap or the nori. Okay, let's eat. So, ganyan lang siya, nori. Put some poke. And then the shoyu wasabi. There. Let's eat. Today is Good Friday, the most important day of Holy Week. And as a Filipino, I still carry those simple traditions when it comes to Holy Week. And one of them is cooking binignit. Others call it ginataan, halo-halo, um, bilo-bilo, and for us in Ilocos, we call it padarusdos. Mine will be very simple since I cannot find the real Filipino ingredients here in Hawaii. First, I have here glutinous rice flour. So, kailangan ko lang, konti lang ang aking lulutuin guys kasi hindi masyadong kumakain na ang asawa ko ng ganito. Especially the balls, this one, he don't like. So, 1 cup, yan, lagay natin. 1 cup of glutinous rice flour. And then, I will add around, wow, mahirap siyang kunin. I will put 1 teaspoon of white granulated sugar. Ayan. Pwede ko na rin siyang i-mix. Next is water. So, I have here water. I will add gradually. And make sure clean hands. Ayan guys. So, properly washed yung aking hand. Gradually, I will add the water or tubig. I will just mix with my hand. This is my simple way of observing the Holy Week. Ayan, ready na siya. So, it will look like this. Something like dough. Next, I have here a container. Maglalagay ako ng konting glutinous rice flour. Kasi dito ko ilalagay yung mga small balls na gagawin ko. Para hindi sila magdikit-dikit. So, kukuha ako ng ganyan. Ayan siya, small balls. So, madali lamang. Very easy to make the mochi balls. Like this. I grew up eating ginatan and I used to help my mom in making ginatan. That's why I know the technique of making the mochi balls already. Okay, almost done. Last ball. Ayan guys. So, tapos na. Ito na yung mochi balls. So, next. Mas madali pag gumamit ng peeler na ganyan. So, ito na yung sweet potato. I will cut this in small cubes. Not really that small. So, I'm done cutting the sweet potato. Ito siya. I will soak in water for the meantime. Next, I have here plantain banana. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, I don't have the Filipino cooking banana. So, I will just use this one. Anyway, I tried this one time and it's good as well. So, ganyan ko lang siya para mabilis balatan. Make a cut so it's easier to peel the skin. Yeah, this kind of banana is not sour, so perfect to put in ginatan. Ayan, tapos na. So, isang banana lang ang lulutuin ko, guys. Okay, cooking time. So, I am using the canned coconut milk. Siyempre, dito walang mabibili na freshly squeezed coconut milk. So, maglalagay ako ng 2 can. I might turn on the stove already. 2. Ayan. I will put a little bit water with this. Okay, so kailangan makuha natin lahat nung coconut milk. Sayang naman. Okay. And since I don't have cassava, I decided to put corn kernel. Ayan, improvise na lang tayo guys. Ibang-iba talaga pag nasa Philippines ka kasi complete ingredients. Dito, oh, mahirap. Okay, mix ko lang muna. Hindi ko pa siya minix kanina. Ayan, so I will boil the coconut milk for few minutes. Antayin lang natin na medyo maglangis yung gata ng niyog para mas masarap. Oh, outside is very cloudy. It's like parang nakikisama yung panahon, guys. Today, Good Friday. Parang ang feeling ang lungkot-lungkot talaga. I can smell the coconut milk. Oh, so good. Mukhang okay na siya. Meron akong nakikitang oil. Okay, so it's ready. First to put is this one, the mochi balls. So, lagay natin. And then mix. How do you know when mochi balls are cooked? They will float. Mix one more time. Ooh, look at those mochi balls. Hey, nice. So next, I will put the sweet potato. Lagay natin lahat. Put everything. Ayan. Then, I will also add the banana. This kind of banana takes more time to cook than the Filipino cooking banana. Kaya, lagay na din natin. Eto na siya, guys. And I check the bananas and sweet potato already have cooked. So, it's time to add the tapioca pearls. Ayan. Oops. Need to mix this one para maghiwa-hiwalay yung sago. And after mixing, ayan, nag-separate na yung mga tapioca. You can already see them there. Next, let's add the sweet corn. Ayan guys, simple ginatan. Making use of what is available here in our place, Hawaii. Okay na to. Looks delicious. What you think, guys? It is. Now I will add the white granulated sugar. I will put little bit of salt. The salt will bring out the sweetness of the sugar. Lalong mas magiging matamis yung ginatan. Konti lang na asin. Oops, don't forget to add little bit of vanilla extract. Ayan, pampasarap siya. So, few more minutes. At pwede nang kumain ng ginatan. Bilo-bilo, padarusdos, binignit. It depends where you live in Philippines. That's why I get plenty name for this one. But main thing is, the taste is delicious. Ayan siya guys. Look. Oops. Ayan. And now, let me taste para ma-adjust ko yung sugar. Oops. And I'm done. So, I will prepare my offering. I will put in the altar. And then watch the 7 last words. It's Good Friday, guys. I'm back and let's cook dinner. It will be very fast, easy. And again, it's Bangus Belly Sinigang, favorite. So I will put little bit oil in my pot. Gisa-gisa muna. Maybe 2 tablespoons of oil. Konti lang. Basit lang. Okay, turn on the stove. Let's wait for the oil to become hot. Pabaraon jay mantika. Okay, so first, the ginger or luya. Then I will add the onion, sibuyas. Ayan, luto-luto. Then I will add tomato with patis or fish sauce. Igisa muna natin. Smells good. Malinis yung aking kamay. So, lagay natin yung bangus belly. Then, mag-add ng water. Ayan, ang ganda ng kulay ng soup. Lagay na natin yung muntik, isang chili pepper. Medyo matagal kasi siyang maluto. So, ayan. Hayaan lang natin na kumulo. So, I will cover. Boiling. Let's check. Oops. Look good. Then, I will put the utong or string beans and a little eggplant from the garden. Yeah. Eggplant. Cover again, and I will get the kangkong. I also get in here kangkong from the yard. I was able to get some kamote tops from the kangkong we planted before. It's what? 3 weeks? 3 weeks old kangkong. At yung pampaasim, I have here calamansi. Of course, I need to use our calamansi. So this will make our soup sour. Ayan. And time to check. Kailangan hindi ma-overcook yung mga vegetables. Mukhang okay na. Lalagay natin yung kangkong. Kangkong. So, eto na ang bangus belly sinigang. Last, eto yung pinaka-aantay. Lagyan natin ng calamansi. Mukha asim sa sarap. Check natin yung soup. Konti pa para mapapapikit ka sa asin. Ayan. Eto na, kumukulo-kulo yung bangus belly sinigang for dinner. Okay, kainan na. You ready? Let's eat. Okay guys, so preparing dinner for Black Saturday. This is salmon with miso and mayonnaise. Black Saturday's dinner guys, very easy. Bake lang siya for around 45 minutes. Smells good. So, let's put the furikake. Ayan, mukhang masarap. Furikake on top. Smells good. Let's eat. Kain na po tayo. Mangantayon karuba. Thanks for watching. See you again next video.